Good morning. Hello, idol. Yeah, stop it. Yeah, stop. No, I'm not an idol. Stop. Oh God. No, I'm kidding. And then now people are basically, there is an actual equation that someone wrote up with like the distance between, like, you know, the front to the tummy to the side, or like the whatever. Like they were able to make an actual equation, and you can just plug in the variables and it will calculate what cup size the VTuber like picture has. So someone take a picture. You let me know. At least a D cup, right? Double D on a good day. 上了年纪，身体开始变小了。The older I get, the smaller I get. You're small. You're saggy ass little piece of shit. Wait, can I actually watch Mouse's reaction to the Idol concert? I didn't actually watch it. Chat was asking if I watched it, and I was like, I haven't yet. She's so tall. It's so awkward. I'm so awkward. I don't want to watch myself anymore. Someone just cut out Mouse's face for me. I don't care about the rest. Yay! I love the little display that they edited and stuff though. It's very cute. Yay! That being there just to let the sun know that he's there, yeah. Confused but supportive, yeah. Oh, I love her so much. I'm gonna cry. Yay! In any case, I'm glad that my friends enjoyed it. I wanted to try the Suzumiya Haruhi dance. I was like, where I want to strike the iron while it's hot. Is that how you say it? Strike the iron while it's hot. I wanted to learn the Haruhi dance. This is mirrored, by the way, so I'm gonna. Oh, it's just so fast. Oh God. Oh my God, I gotta slow this down. I can't do this in full speed. Ah! Wrong hand. Oh my God, holy moly. That was crazy. That was actually my first time trying to dance to this song. I've actually never danced to this song before. Guys, I can't. Wait. I'm gonna pass out. Ah! I look just like it. Mirrored, so gotta do the opposite motion. No. It's mirrored, so this is correct. So when you watch me do it, it'll be correct to you, because I'm copying her. If she is the right way around and I'm copying her, then what I'm doing is now giving you mirrored. So you're supposed to watch it. I'm supposed to watch it as mirrored as the learner. You're supposed to watch it exactly how I learned it, for the mirroring. Oh my God. Now I have to slow this down. This will be a really fun rush song though. This will be a fun rush song to do, I think. If we did a mix of me dreaming and also this one. We're worried that you might die. 180 is good enough, right? What was the calculation for how high the heart rate can be? What is grandma doing? Try not to have a heart attack, that is correct. Under 200 is good. Oh, okay. Zones 220, subtract age. Don't follow my finger, subtracting's too good. No, we're well into the safe zone. Yeah, I can't be actually drawing it and then someone's gonna actually be able to see it through the tracking. Do you want to dance while I take a pee-pee?
I am here. Oh damn, look at those hips. Look at those hips. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Damn, look at this tracking, guys. Holy. Oh, you guys didn't even see me put my sleeves up. Man, I can never get over how good this tracking is. Look at that. It's like, I can just move my hands however I want.
Who are the other ladies? This video was from like 8 years ago. They did just like a cosplay song dance video thing. You made me lose tracking, I hate you! Is this how Gary sees the world? Shut up! I'm just trying my best. I realized how many playback speed options they have now. It used to just be 0.5, 0.25. You know, they all go by 25 increments. Now they have like so many little ones. I can do this. I'm a dancer. No, I can't do this. I can't do this. Oh, fire. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's so fast. The little ending bit was too, whoa. The ending bit was way too fast. I couldn't see shit. What is my heart rate at now? I thought it was going to be like surely it's gonna take me 40 minutes. This is gonna take forever. Because I don't think the I've been dancing so far are kind of, sort of repetitive. Other than the chorus, everything else is not super repetitive. And also there's so many like finer like motions in this choreography for Hare Hare. More so than the idol one. This way. I think I messed up the hands again. This way. Oh God, I can't. I can't. This is hard. You win this time, lunch. Yeah. YouTube breathing exercise for dancing styles. No para para sakura. Which one was that one? Since Y2K fashion is trending, dance Y2K type styles, then it would be like, hit me baby one more time. My loneliness is killing me. And that's, oh God, I can't breathe. Okay. Am I pretty? Ew, you're welcome. Ew, you guys are you're so ugly. Ew. This is a say-so, girl-friendly, elegant, fancy stream. Okay? The only Ds Giri has is a 2D and a 3D, and the only Ds that your mama got is just D from everybody. From you. Ds everywhere. They're two-dimensional. Your brain cells are just two. You only have 2 brain cells. Huh. At least I have dimensions. You're just one ugly, minuscule little brain cell rubbing against each other. And I bet sparks don't even come out. Nothing comes out. 2 brain cells is more than you though. It's pretty crazy how the 3D model has a worse figure than IRL Giri. What? Well, wait, that's a compliment and an insult at the same time. Do I not look smoking hot in this body? Yeah. What? Vogue. You hold on. What? Yeah, you take that back. What do you mean? I think it looks cute. Look at the boom boom pow, you know? Boom bop bop. Please never do that again. Did it work? I was trying to do like PR's like the ego thing, like the blah blah. But it just sounds like, but then like my mod was saying, it looks like I'm putting pants on. So this is me putting pants on. Okay, this is me trying to do like Kiara's like hip sway thing. It looks the same. I'm very close. Wait, let me try the Narissa one. Let's see if it'll take us a long time to try to learn it. I need to make this mirror image. I forgot. Okay, I can figure this out. I can figure this out. I can just put it all the way to the over. Okay, you haven't seen torture yet. I could fall in love with Ria or Gumi if I stare at her eyes. I just felt, poor you. Wow, getting Ria and Gumi to look at your eyes. I know, it's just, why do all these hot girls just want to stare at me so bad? Like, please stop. Let's go. Okay. Yeah. Death by teabag. Did you see that? I sat on his head.
Oh, go.
Yo! I just like the chorus. At least let me finish the chorus. Yes. メロディーそうだね。Bingdom. Was that a fart? That was so wet. Can you not do it on my chair? You disgusting. Why would you? Why did you not do it on my chair? You're so annoying. Chat. I think we might wrap it up about here. Okay, take care everyone. Okay, bye.